Could the secret to better weight loss and improved health be as simple as eating every other day? New research suggests that alternate day fasting may actually be more effective than your typical daily dieting routine. But is it all hype, or is there real science behind this? Stick with us because today we'll break down exactly what researchers found and what it means for your health, weight loss, and long-term wellness. You might just rethink your entire dieting approach after this. Hey everyone, welcome to Healscape BDS, your trusted space for reliable health tips, wellness trends, and science you can actually use. If you've been struggling with dieting or curious about intermittent fasting, today's video is going to open your eyes to a fascinating new approach: alternate day fasting. Let's dive right in. The weight loss struggle is real. We all know that losing weight and keeping it off isn't easy. Traditional calorie-restricted diets often feel like punishment. Counting every calorie, skipping your favorite meals, and still seeing minimal results, it's frustrating and exhausting. That's why so many people are turning to intermittent fasting. But here's the twist. New research shows that not all intermittent fasting is created equal. In fact, alternate day fasting, where you fast every other day, may offer some unique benefits. What exactly is alternate day fasting? Alternate day fasting is pretty much what it sounds like. You eat normally one day, then fast the next, or dramatically reduce calories on fasting days. Some versions allow up to 500 calories on fasting days. Others go full 24-hour fasts. Compared to daily calorie restriction, where you cut calories every single day, alternate day fasting offers a different rhythm that many find easier to stick with. But does it actually work? The study that got everyone talking. A massive new review published by the BMJ in June 2025 analyzed 99 clinical trials involving over 6,500 adults. The researchers compared alternate day fasting, time-restricted eating such as the 16-8 diet, whole-day fasting such as the 5-2 diet, continuous calorie restriction, and unrestricted diets. Here's what they found. All forms of intermittent fasting led to small reductions in body weight compared to unrestricted eating. Alternate day fasting showed slightly greater weight loss compared to daily calorie restriction. Compared to time-restricted eating and whole-day fasting, alternate day fasting again showed small but noticeable advantages. On average, people practicing alternate day fasting lost around 1.29 kilograms more than those doing daily calorie restriction. Now, while this doesn't sound earth-shattering, even modest weight loss can have big health benefits. But wait, it's not just about the scale. The researchers also looked at key health markers like cholesterol and blood sugar. Alternate day fasting was linked to lower total and bad LDL cholesterol compared to time-restricted eating. However, the benefits for blood sugar control, or good HDL cholesterol, weren't as clear. Importantly, these improvements were mostly seen in trials that lasted at least 24 weeks. So patience and consistency matter. But don't get carried away. Before you throw out your meal plan and commit to fasting every other day, it's important to stay grounded. The researchers emphasized that while alternate day fasting shows promise, the differences aren't huge, and longer, high-quality studies are still needed. Plus, like any diet, success depends on the bigger picture. The quality of the food you eat on non-fasting days, your ability to stick with the routine, long-term professional support, and proper planning. No single diet is magic, but alternate day fasting could be a useful tool in your health and weight loss toolbox. Real-life example. Meet Sarah. Let me share a quick story. Sarah, a 42-year-old nurse from Texas, struggled with yo-yo dieting for years. She'd cut calories, lose a little weight, then life would get busy, and the pounds would creep back. Last year, she discovered alternate day fasting through a support group. She started slow, modified fasting every other day, with small meals on fasting days. Fast forward 6 months. Not only did Sarah lose 15 pounds, but her cholesterol improved, and she reported feeling more energized on workdays. Most importantly, she stuck with it because it fit her lifestyle. Her story isn't unique, but it shows how alternate day fasting can work when approached realistically. So, should you try it? If you're curious about alternate day fasting, here are some simple steps to start. Talk to your doctor, especially if you have health conditions. Start with modified fasting. Some calories on fasting days to ease into it. Focus on nutritious foods on eating days. Don't use fasting as an excuse to binge. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, weak, or irritable, adjust your approach. Alternate day fasting isn't for everyone, but for some, it offers a sustainable, science-backed way to lose weight and improve health. Final thoughts. The bottom line? Alternate day fasting shows promise as a simple, flexible approach to weight loss, with added benefits for heart health. But it's not a silver bullet. The key is consistency, education, and choosing a strategy that fits your lifestyle. As researchers say, it's about complementing, not replacing, other healthy habits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell icon so you never miss future health updates from Healscape BDS. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.